Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube channel here today. Third time's the charm. Hopefully I can get my hay baled up. Let the moisture tester. Great day outside to bale some hay. Hopefully it's not wet. And we're off.
Now when the raspberries burst from the woodbine and the summer lies close to the ground, and the porch is the fit place for young boys to sleep, the brook in the hollow dies down. Then with straw hats and wagons and horses, like young Tim and tired old Dan, we head for the field to the creak of the wheel, with the pitchfork that blisters your hands. And you have to make hay when the sun shines. That's what all of the hill people say. You just keep your load wide, keep an eye on the sky, and make sure it's dry when you put it away. And I remember the chaff on the back of my neck, the cool at the edge of the trees, and you rest for time. You talk about the weather, you drink from the spring and get mud on your knees. But it's back to the wagon, it's back to the mow. 6 loads in and 8 more to go. And there's biscuits and beans at the late supper meal, and there's nothing like beans when you're working, you know. And you have to make hay when the sun shines. That's what all of the hill people say. You just keep your load wide, keep an eye on the sky, and make sure it's dry when you put it away. 'Tis the season of clover and killdeer, 'tis the time when the earth does her best, and it's when all men are strong and the work days are long, and you know when to rise and you know when to rest. And in the cool of the evening I'd perch on the load and let the wagon wind blow through my hair, and count off the stars and talk to the moon and sing to myself in the sweet summer air.
that we ever had. Wish that all kids could grow up this way, out with their dads, just baling hay. I miss those days out in the field, his head held high, hands on the wheel. Sun so bright and the air so clean, my dad smiling proudly atop his big red machine. Baling hay, just me and my dad, the greatest summers that we ever had. I wish that all kids could grow up this way, out with their dads just baling hay.
Guys, I think that's gonna twine wrap it up for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.